Motor Mind. Hey folks, Motor Mind here. Just doing a quick one right here. Working on a 2008 Ford Focus. Customer complaint is just one of the headlamp bulbs is burnt out. So we'll just do a quick one here. So how to get these guys out? You need to take these bolts out here. You take that out there, and then you have to. There's a little delay down here. You'll push down on. So you can kind of see that. Push down on that. The whole unit slides out. That's how you have to get to them. Right. So I'm going to do both headlamp bulbs. I always recommend do them in pairs because one's burnt out, and the one's not too far behind. So let's just crack it on here. So what you'll need is Torx, and that's about it. So. Alright, so pull it out here. Both sides. These guys don't have to be in very tight because they're just only in plastic. Like I said, it's down here. Little clip here, you push down on that and pull out, slides right out. Dead easy to get the assembly out. So once you got that out, the headlamp, double check, I think it's gonna be that guy there. So double check, make sure it should be these guys inside here. That should be bright. So this should be your main beam. Let's double check and make sure. So yeah, as you can see, that one there is working. That one there is not. So we'll just pardon me, replace both of them here. It's always good when you get something come in, anything even like this, just double check, confirm customer's complaint always. So inside here, you'll see a little clip there. You're gonna grab onto that, squeeze it, and it comes right out. The bulb here. Just make sure you know the orientation. And that's it. So this guy here. That was a good one, wasn't it? So here's the same thing. Push down in this little wiggle and pop it right out. Okay, let's move it around the bumper skin here. That's all it takes. Pull that guy off there, squeeze, and pull. Bulb comes out. There. Now if you see this here, it's a bit of an interesting thing. They've replaced these bulbs before. You see it's got the blue on it. Are these the same bulbs or? Or if they've replaced, somebody's only replaced just one at one time. G7. Just double checking. Sometimes some people, yeah, these are two different bulbs. You see with the blue there, it's going to have like a little blue tint to it now, and it's not. So you're actually going to get kind of a weird light pattern. You always want to have kind of the same, so you don't want to be mixing up bulbs, LED on one side, or you don't want to be mixing, we have the blue on one side and regular ones on this side. You want to have the same, and then that way, because you're also your vision, you'd be surprised. You think, oh, I got bright one, and it's going to make it better on one side, but it messes up the vision. Just trust me on that. So doing these guys here, try not to touch the glass because the oils off your hands get on there. It'll actually cause the bulb to burn out quicker. So with halogen bulbs, so you want to, as you see, just keep it on the metal. So all you gotta do is just pop this bad boy in here. Of course, it starts raining on me. Lovely jubbly. There you go. It's oriented like that. So this guy here slides in there. It should slide right onto the bulb. Just like that. Let's take this back on here. Oh, really starting to wash down now. That was cool. I thought it'd be alright doing this real quick outside. Alright. So once you get this guy set back up, what I'm gonna do, sorry about that. You see how, oh sorry, you see how that is? It's like a hook. The hook's underneath there. So, oh now it's hailing on me. Just hold on here. Alright, yeah, so now it stopped hailing on me. So yeah, just we're gonna get these in, orient it here, make sure it's in there, and then there's actually two of these, and it says one there, there's one that's further down in there. And there's also a little tab here that goes on, so you want to put it on so it's out, and then slide it back and then it'll click right in. And you'll see anything, so yeah, just make sure it's lined up, and slide it back, and it'll click in, you hear it just go click, and then when it's stable, put the screw back in. So, as you can see here, ignition on, lights, confirm now. So I also want to check, so I can show you here, I always like to check and make sure that the bulbs are in, but I like to make sure that you get a nice beam, a nice pattern, and you get a nice kick up on one side. So you usually just kind of take a quick look, make sure that you get a nice cut off. It's not round, or you don't have like the bulb sitting and going wonky, and just always have a nice little look, quick little look, just confirm your work. Put that guy back there, and that's it. So I'm just gonna double check that all the lights and everything else are working, indicators and everything else are working as they should. So, this lady's going on a trip, a couple days, so I'll double check for her. There's nothing else that needs doing. Tail lights yet? Yeah. I can't check the brake right now, but look at the car behind me. Yeah, so that's about it. So it's just a kind of quick video. Just how to change headlamp bulbs in a 2008, or about this body style Ford Focus. I think it goes, can't quote me on this on the year. I think it's 05 to about 09, maybe. I think it's about this body style. I'm not specifically a Ford guy. I do general repairs and I work on all sorts. I don't remember the body styles all too many vehicles. But yeah, that's about it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click the like button, and comment down below if you like. Thanks. See you again.